LEHE, a group of people who has been adhering to the craftsman's spirit, focus on every details. With permanently extreme pursuance, it is a brand name that provides you specific efficiency with convenience through innovation and accurate quality control. Dongguan LEHE Intelligent Technology Company Limited is an innovative company specialized in electric vehicles. It absorbs the top-level designing concept and provides international advanced manufacturing craftsmanship. Integrates R&D, producing, marketing, and service. In a few short years, LEHE has already obtained many invention patents, designing patents and function patents for the products. We already registered our own brand name of LEHE in Europe, the United States, and Japan. Moreover, LEHE Company has passed the ISO Quality Management System and the European Quality Authentication. In 2017, LEHE was awarded the National High-Tech Enterprise by the government. Day in and day out, LEHE team is a group of brilliant and courageous guys, persistently to make innovations that is the most valuable wealth of the company. With rich experiences, the team works hard and moves forward together. LEHE Company grows quickly and creatively because of these diligent guys who pursue the same dream. LEHE products enjoy hot sales in the European countries, North America, South America, Japan, Singapore, Australia, etc., and more than 60 countries and regions, with a reputable quality brand name abroad. Subvert the tradition, strive for excellence. We value the core culture, enjoy sharing, harmonize the world. We insist customer-oriented, continuous innovation, scientific management, quick after-sales service, and technical exchange both domestic and international. To meet the customized demand through unfailing achievements and upgrading products. With artisan spirit, creating exquisite masterpieces, LEHE will always keep customer needs as starting point as usual. Research by heart, strive for product quality, and focus on smart cycling. Continuously improve product into every details. LEHE will always commit to provide a full range of product experience service to be an industry leader.